Hey guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to make the renewal payment and how to apply through online. And first of all, sorry, namke Kannada gurtilla, yake English le martini. Yeah. So hope you understand. So for renewal, we registered in 2018 and now 2023. It's got over 5 years. So just click on payment link renewal, and once you click on renewal it will ask you some details, so that detail you have to update. So here you can give your name. For example, let me give my name. Whoever making the payment, that person name you can give here, and email id. Next, department, it's select the government, district Bangalore. Then here you have to select the labor, department of labor. Then DO first option, commissioner. And here purpose, so purpose will be renewal. So renewal of Karnataka Shop and Establishment Act. Head code will automatically it will come. Then purpose here is the renewal. So if you are doing a registration, or if you are doing a renewal, or you are doing amendment, so all the three option is there. So for registration also you have to make payment, renewal and amendment also you have to make the payment. So we are doing a renewal, so select the renewal. And whatever the amount, so last year we paid 10,000 rupees because our head count is more than 20, 20 to around 49. So just give this data and click on add. So once you add, here data will update. Here select mode of payment, so net banking, and here against under which bank account you want to make the payment, so that payment also you can. Yes guys, once you click on submit, like this the challan will generate. So just type the catchy word G and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, one challan number will generate. This is important guys, so just copy this and paste somewhere else, because when you try to log in and make the payment, they will ask you the challan reference number. Okay, so just click on OK and it will log in into your net banking. So make the payment, you will get the challan copy. So once you got the challan copy, then we have to come here. So now what we are going to do, just so once the challan payment is done, challan is ready means we have to log in, and that challan data we can give here at the time of doing the renewal. So how to do that? Let me log in into my portal. Yes guys, so we have logged in into our portal. So registration. So here is the renewal. So our 4 years, 5 years is over. So we have to do the renewal. So just click on, if any amendment is there, you can do amendment also. Otherwise, just click on the renewal, and it will ask you anything extra you want to add or not. So due for renewal, so just click on here. So 2018 we did the registration, so now it's time to the renewal. Say suppose select the section to be amendment. In case if you want to do any updation also, you can do here, but the number of employee you have to do through the amendment option only, not from here. So in our case everything is updated, so we just click on OK and we can submit. But say suppose establishment correction is there, or a new director, new partner is updated, nature of business is updated, head office and branch office, then responsibility, then holiday, weekend holiday you change, so that also you can do amendment from here only. But in our case there is no amendment, so just simply click on OK. And here we have to pay 1,000 rupees extra because of this adjustment. So what happened in 2018 to 2019, if you register in between that, so we registered in 2018 only, in the month of December, so they are asking to pay 1,000 rupees different if you have employee more than 10 to 19. So that payment also be paid, so that data we have to update here. So what we have to go into, the transaction ID is nothing but your certificate reference number only. So transaction ID is nothing but your challan reference number and the date you can mention. So click here for fee payment is 10,000 we paid, and bank data. So upload the challan copy and submit that one. So once you submit, that's it. So let me update all the data and we'll try to submit it. So we uploaded all the document, whatever the document, challan data, whatever required, so that we updated, and finally we have to click on submit. So once you submit, print this application, and here signature is required. So if you see this red color, signed and filled copy of application form is mandatory, and old certificate registration also is mandatory. So both we have to enclose here also. So what I will do, I will just print this application, get the sign. Again, same step we can come and we can attach that document. Yeah. So once you submit, again after the signed copy, again we have to visit the department to get the approval. So for Shopact in Karnataka, it's compulsory to visit the department, meet your inspector, get the approval. So once he approve, then only you will get the renewal certificate. Otherwise, you will not get. So you have to go. So in Karnataka, so in Bangalore, we have one place in Dairy Circle and one office at Yeshwantpur. So depend on your ward, the circle may change. So you can just contact them and you can send an email. They will give response of which office it is. Yeah. So I hope you learn something new from this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I given my number in description. So if you have any doubt, you can just text me, but don't try to call me. Incoming call is cut in that number also. And if you want to learn about more about the Shop Act and Professional Tax Act of Karnataka, then I can educate you also, but it will be a paid version. Yeah. So if you are interested, you can just WhatsApp me in the given below number. Thank you. Bye.